Brought to you by GTA, your island, your network.
On the docket today were the plaintiffs accusing Archbishop Anthony Apuron and Father David Anderson of child sex abuse. But the hearing didn't get very far because of questions raised as to jurisdiction or whether it even belongs in the district court.
Are you concerned that you won't be able to prove jurisdiction, diversity jurisdiction for majority of your clients?
Oh, I think we'll be able to prove for a majority of our clients. But then, even the ones that we don't prove jurisdiction, of course, we're back in Superior Court. So all it means is a transfer of courts,
Attorney Jackie Terlahi represents Apuron, who maintains his innocence. During the hearing, she moved the cases be thrown out.
Generally speaking, when you're dealing with civil pleadings, the plaintiff has the absolute burden to set forth certain things in order for the court to attain jurisdiction over the matter. And so essentially what was occurring in the hearing was that there was a proffer of certain evidence outside of that document. And so essentially I told the court that the best way to deal with the situation is to dismiss it if the plaintiff has not met that burden, and to start all over again, essentially.
But starting all over, for example, if in the Superior Court, could be a difficult task, as the whole reason why attorney David Lujan moved the cases to federal court was because the majority of the judges in the Superior Court backed off due to their personal conflicts with the church.
At some point, they're going to have to create a judge.
Attorney Lujan has until June 2nd to prove to the district court it has jurisdiction over his cases. Meanwhile, Hawaii attorney Wayson Wong made his first appearance as counsel for Anderson, but declined to provide comment to the press. Almost 60 cases of clergy sex abuse have been filed in the local and federal courts on Guam. That number is expected to climb, with attorney Lujan confirming he'll be filing 15 more in the near future. Reporting for Guam's News Network, I'm Crystal Paco.
Brought to you by GTA, your island, your network.